In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix your screen size on Xbox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you clear instructions on where to find the settings related to the screen size on your Xbox when you play games and you use any other applications. If you notice that the screen on your TV or monitor is not being filled out, or you have portions of your game or application being cut off, this is because you need to go into Display settings on your Xbox and calibrate them accordingly. So go to the Xbox settings, go over to Display and Sound, and then select the Video Output category. Immediately upon selecting Video Output, you will be able to change aspects about the calibration of the display and also the screen size. So first, go over to the Calibrate TV, read that instruction, and now you will reach the aspect ratio and sharpness. Basically, you need the green lines to fill out the borders of your TV or monitor, and the blue lines are going to be the minimum size. Now, you will notice that there aren't going to be any options to change this directly from here. What you have to do now is use a remote on your TV or even a monitor to adjust the size. Since this is different for every single manufacturer and every single model of TV, I cannot give you clear instructions on how to do this. I recommend that you search for the manual of your specific monitor or TV, but usually it is going to be under these settings related to the picture size. As long as you can make the picture size 16:9, which is the most common one available as of today, you should have the whole monitor or TV filled out with the Xbox display. Besides this, you can also go back into the settings and select TV and display options, where you can find the options related to resolution and refresh rate. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix your screen size on Xbox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.